everyone, David here with Headset Advisor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the battery on your 8240 UC or Office wireless headset like you see here in front of me. And the time that you're going to know that you need a new battery is if you start getting only like 1 to 2 hours of talk time, or the headset's just not powering up at all. That means it's time to replace your battery, and we're going to show you how to do that right now. So you take your wireless earpiece that you see here, and there is a lithium-ion battery inside of this earpiece. So to replace it, all you have to do, let me get a nice close shot here, is slide the battery off. So you're putting pressure going this way, and then it just comes off. And that's what it looks like there. And you get the replacement battery, and I'll put the link to the specific battery because there are a lot of different versions that look the same, but it has to be this one that has these 4 pins and also is rated for this headset, and I'll put the link in the description below. So what you need to do is take the new battery, and it's just going to slide on, but you don't slide it from back here. You put it about 80% of the way, and you'll see that it fits flat. And then the last thing you have to do is just make sure to slide it in so it gets pressed that way. And then there was a flashing light as soon as I plugged it in here, just to let you know that you have power. So that is all you need to do in order to replace the battery. It's very simple, just takes a couple of seconds. And that is all. I hope you found this video helpful. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel as we are constantly releasing new information. I hope you found this video helpful. Other than that, I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Thanks a lot.